Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Conversation. I'm John, and I'm excited to help you master English today.
And I'm Olivia. Today we're exploring two words that confuse learners constantly, gone and went. These seem similar but have very different uses.
Many learners mix these up, saying things like, I have went there, or she has gone to school, when she's actually still there. These mistakes sound very unnatural.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use gone, when to use went, and understand the important differences between them.
Before we start, please subscribe to Daily English Conversation. We make confusing English topics simple and clear with practical examples.
Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our helpful lessons. Understanding these words is essential for natural English.
All right, let's dive in. First, what's the basic difference between gone and went?
Here's the key. Went is simple past tense. You went somewhere and the action is complete. Gone is past participle, used with have, has, and implies someone is still away or the action connects to now.
Think of went as a completed past action. Think of gone as being away right now or having the experience.
That's the foundation. Now let's explore each word in detail.
Let's start with went, the simple past tense of go.
Went is used to talk about a completed action in the past. The person went somewhere and came back, or the action is finished.
I went to Paris last year. You went to Paris, came back, and now you're here. Complete past action.
She went to the store yesterday. She went and returned. The action is finished.
They went home after the party. The going home is complete, finished action.
We went to school when we were young. Past habit or repeated action, now finished.
Structure, subject, went, destination, or place. Simple and direct.
Went always refers to a specific past time and the action is complete.
Now let's explore gone, the past participle of go.
Gone has two main uses in English and both are completely different from went.
Use 1. Have or has gone means someone went somewhere and is still there, not back yet.
She has gone to the store. She went to the store and is still there right now. She hasn't returned.
They have gone to bed. They went to bed and are still in bed, haven't gotten up yet.
He's gone home. He went home and is still at home. He's not here with us.
This is present perfect tense. Have, has, gone. It connects past action to present location.
Use 2, have been versus have gone. Very important distinction.
I have been to Japan. I went to Japan and came back. I have the experience now.
I have gone to Japan. This would mean I'm still in Japan right now. I haven't returned.
She has been to the office. She went and returned. She's back now.
She has gone to the office. She went and is still at the office, not back yet.
Been equals went and returned. Gone equals went and still there. Huge difference.
Now let's directly compare went and gone to see the differences clearly.
I went to the store. Simple past, you went, came back, action complete. Focus on the past action.
I have gone to the store. You're at the store now, still there, not back yet. Focus on current location.
He went home. Simple past, he went home, action complete. We're just stating what happened.
He has gone home. Present perfect. He went home and is still home now. He's not here with us.
They went to Paris last month. Specific past time, went and returned. The trip is over.
They have gone to Paris. They're in Paris right now, still away, haven't returned.
See the pattern? Went is about past complete. Gone is about being away now.
Now let's look at questions with gone and went.
Questions with went asking about completed past actions.
Where did you go yesterday? I went to the mall.
When did she go to France? She went last summer.
Did they go to the party? Yes, they went.
Questions with gone asking about current location or experience.
Where has he gone? He's gone to the gym. At home, still at the gym.
Has she gone home? Yes, she's gone home. She's at home now.
Have you ever gone skiing? Wait, this should be have you ever been skiing for experience?
That's an important point. For life experiences, we usually say have been, not have gone.
Have you been to Italy? Asking about experience, not have you gone to Italy.
Now let's tackle common mistakes learners make.
Mistake 1, using have went instead of have gone.
Wrong, I have went there. Right, I have gone there or I went there.
Went is simple past, used alone. Gone is past participle, used with have and has.
Mistake 2, using gone when you mean been.
Wrong. I have gone to Paris 3 times, if you're not there now. Right. I have been to Paris 3 times.
For experiences and visits where you returned, use been, not gone.
Mistake 3, using gone without have or has.
Wrong. She gone to school. Right. She has gone to school or she went to school.
Gone needs a helper verb, have, has, or had. Never use gone alone.
Mistake 4, confusing when someone is still away versus returned.
If they're still away, he has gone to London. If they returned, he went to London or he has been to London.
The meaning completely changes based on which word you use.
Now let's practice with real-life conversation scenarios.
Scenario 1, looking for Sarah. Where's Sarah? She's gone to lunch. When did she go? She went about 10 minutes ago.
She's gone to lunch means still at lunch. She went 10 minutes ago, specific past time, simple past.
Scenario 2, discussing travel. Have you been to Spain? Yes, I went there last year. It was amazing.
Have you been means asking about experience. I went last year means specific past time describing when.
Scenario 3, after school. Where are the kids? They've gone to their friend's house. What time did they go? They went after school.
They've gone means still at friend's house. They went means describing past action.
Scenario 4, office situation. Is Tom in? No, he's gone to a meeting. Has he been to many meetings this week? Yes, he went to 3 yesterday alone.
He's gone to a meeting, currently at meeting. Has he been asking about experiences? He went to 3 past actions.
These scenarios show how we naturally use both words.
Now let's discuss gone in other contexts and expressions.
Gone can mean disappeared or no longer available.
The cookies are all gone. They've disappeared. Someone ate them all.
My money's gone. It disappeared. I spent it or lost it.
Those days are gone. That time period has passed. It's over.
Gone can also mean dead in sensitive contexts.
His grandfather has gone. Euphemism meaning passed away.
These are different meanings of gone beyond just movement.
Let's look at expressions with gone and went.
Common expressions with went are, it went well, everything went wrong, time went by quickly.
The party went great. The plan went smoothly. Went describes how something proceeded.
Common expressions with gone are, gone but not forgotten, gone with the wind, gone fishing.
You've gone too far. The milk has gone bad. Gone in these means exceeded or changed state.
Now let's discuss time expressions that pair with each word.
Went works with specific past time markers.
Yesterday, last week, last month, last year, ago, when, in 2020.
I went yesterday. She went last week. They went 3 days ago.
Gone works with present perfect time markers or no specific time.
Already, just, recently, or no time marker when describing current state.
He's already gone. She's just gone. They've recently gone.
Or simply, where has he gone? Focus on current location, not when.
Let's explore went in different contexts.
Went can describe changes in state or condition.
She went crazy. Changed to a crazy state.
The lights went out, changed from on to off.
His face went red. Changed color. Became red.
The company went bankrupt, changed financial state.
Went describes transitions and changes, not just physical movement.
Now let's look at gone with adjectives.
She's gone crazy. Current state, she's crazy now.
The milk has gone bad. Current state, it's bad now.
He's gone gray. His hair is gray now. Describes current appearance.
Gone plus adjective describes a current changed state.
Here are memory tricks to remember the difference.
Trick 1. Went equals when. If you can say when it happened, yesterday, last week, in 2020, use went.
Trick 2. Gone equals gone away. If they're still away or the thing is still missing, use gone.
Trick 3. Went stands alone. Gone needs help. Went works by itself. Gone needs have, has, or had.
Trick 4. Been, back, gone, gone. If they came back, use been. If still away, use gone.
Trick 5. Ask yourself, are they here now? If no, probably gone. If yes, use went or been.
Here are practical tips for mastering gone and went.
Tip 1. Always ask yourself, is the person still away? If yes, use has gone.
Tip 2. For life experiences and visits where you returned, use have been, not have gone.
Tip 3. Remember, went is simple past tense, always used alone, never with have.
Tip 4. Gone is past participle, always needs have, has, or had before it.
Tip 5. Practice converting. He went home, past, versus he has gone home, still there.
Tip 6. Listen to native speakers in movies and notice which they use when.
Tip 7. Create sentences about people you know. My friend went to versus my friend has gone to.
Tip 8. Don't overthink it. Focus on completed past equals went, still away equals gone.
Let's do practice exercises.
Fill in went or gone. She has gone to the dentist. Answer, gone, still at the dentist.
Fill in I blank to Paris last year. Answer went. Specific past time.
Fill in where have they gone. Answer, gone. Have plus past participle.
Fill in we blank shopping yesterday. Answer went. Specific past time.
Fill in he's already gone home. Answer, gone. Has plus past participle.
Fill in have you ever blank to Japan? Answer been. Experience not gone.
Fill in they blank to the party but left early. Answer, went. Completed action.
Fill in the cookies are all blank. Answer gone. Disappeared.
Let's look at past perfect with gone.
Had gone describes going before another past action.
He had gone home before I arrived. He went home, then I arrived. Two past actions.
They had gone to bed when we called. They went to bed first, then we called.
Had gone shows past before past, one action earlier than another.
This is less common but important to understand timing in the past.
Now let's discuss going versus gone, different words.
Going is present participle, ongoing action or future plan.
I am going to the store, present continuous, happening now or immediate future.
We are going to Paris next month, future plan.
Gone is past participle, completed action with present result.
I have gone to the store, at the store now, or for the experience, though using been is better.
Don't confuse going, present or future, with gone, past participle.
Let's do a comprehensive summary.
Went is simple past tense of go, describes completed past actions.
Use went for specific past times, yesterday, last week, in 2020, 3 days ago.
Went stands alone, never needs a helper verb. I went, she went, they went.
Gone is past participle of go, used with have, has, or had.
Have, has, gone means someone went and is still away, not back yet.
Have, has, been means someone went and came back. They have the experience.
Gone can also mean disappeared, finished, or used up. The food is gone.
Common mistakes are have went, wrong, use have gone, using gone without helper verb, confusing gone with been.
Memory tricks: went, when, specific past, gone, gone away, still away, went stands alone, gone needs help.
Key question: are they still away? If yes, has gone. If no, use went or has been.
Before we finish, please subscribe to Daily English Conversation.
We create clear, practical grammar lessons every week to help you speak English correctly and naturally.
Subscribe now so you never miss an episode. Share this with anyone learning English.
Leave a comment with 3 sentences, one using went, one using has gone and one using has been.
Challenge. Today, notice every time someone uses gone or went, think about why they chose that word.
Thank you for listening. We hope gone and went are crystal clear now.
These words are everywhere in English. Using them correctly makes you sound natural and fluent.
Keep practicing, keep learning, keep improving.
This is Daily English Conversation. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you in the next episode.